Dad. Dad, we're still fixing it po, Kinausap po namin yung mga clients. Nabukan na rin po namin na maibalik yung tiwala nila sa atin. Kaya lang, Dad, hirap tayo sa mga agents natin Parang kami lang po dalawa ni Marge yung kumikilos.
Then you'll need all the help you can get.
What do you mean, Dad?
May naisip akong makakatulong sa'yo. Someone with fresh ideas, may alam sa digital platforms, marketing, and online reach.
And who exactly would that be?
Don't worry. This one I think you'll actually like, and your mom likes too.
May problema ba? Ano, pinirata ulit yung kliyente natin?
Wala naman. May tutulong lang sa atin para makuha ulit yung mga clients natin. Love, I want you to know that this was Dad's decision. And I didn't want you to hear it from someone else.
Ano bang dapat kong marinig? Sino ba tong reko ni Dad? Matutulungan ba tayo niya?
Hi, Paolo! Sorry, may meeting ka pala.
At anong ginagawa niya dito?
Oh, perfect timing. Mas mabuti siguro na ako na ang mag-explain. Starting today, I'll be joining Torre Campo Realty. Tito Greg and Tita Reg thought I could help out with digital marketing and client retention. He said that the company could use some new ideas. Marge, magkakatrabaho ulit tayo. And I'll be working closely with you and... Naku naman, Marge! Don't worry. I'll make sure to keep things strictly professional. Tito Greg offered it after you walked out sa lunch last time. Ang bilis nga ng pangyayari.
Wala kang plano sabihin yun sa akin, since then.
Sinisigurado ko lang na matutuloy. Sasabihin ko naman talaga sa'yo eh.
Sana kinonsulta mo muna ako bago ka na, Jess. Bakit ka naglilihim sa akin?
Ano? Gaya ng paglilihim mo sa akin na ganun ka ba ang tingin ng dad mo sa'yo? You made me believe na ikaw ang lumayo when in fact, you were kicked out by your dad.
I left the company for a reason. And since you are my girlfriend, hindi ka na dapat bumalik doon.
Edward, this is not about you or your dad. Gusto ko lang talaga mapalapit sa pamilya mo. Chance ko na rin to para matulungan kayong magkaayos. You've been avoiding them for too long.
Did Ma put you up to this? Huh?
Maybe. Pero, Edward, ginusto ko rin naman to eh. Saka ayaw mo ba nun? Ganun kalaki yung trust sa akin ng family mo. At ito pa, this is my chance to fix things with Marge. I know, she still hates me, pero I want to show her that I've changed. I'm sure yun din yung gusto mo, di ba? Magkasundo kami.
Alam mo, hindi ko alam if you're doing this for me or for yourself.
For us, Han, lahat to ginagawa ko para sa atin.
We just wanted to personally check in Mr. Orbos. And I want you to know that we've improved our client management system. And we'd really love to continue our partnership.
I appreciate your gesture, Paulo. But I have already signed with another firm. It's nothing personal. You know how this industry works.
Of course, we understand, sir. I hope you still consider us for your next projects.
You've both been good to work with, but I gave my word to your former agent. We go a long way. Friendship before business. You know how it is.
Thank you. No hard feelings, sir. And thank you for trusting us in the past.
I'll go ahead.
Love, sayang. Isang malaking account nawala sa isang iglap.
Among all the other clients, si Mr. Orbos ang pinakamahirap mabawi. Sobrang close kasi nila nung agent na umalis sa atin eh. Parang magkakapatid na. Hindi natin mapuputol yan.
Susuko na tayo kay Urbos.
For now, oo. We'll win others back.
Kung may paraan lang na makuha natin ang tiwala niya ulit.
Kung meron man, hindi na tayo makakagawa ng kung anumang paraan yun.
Mr. Orbos? Small world!
Hey, Villarreal, right? You're with Torre Campo Realty now, aren't you?
Yes, that's right, sir. I heard that you met Paolo and Marge earlier.
I did. I already told them my decision. Magkaibigan kami ng dati nilang agent na lumipat, so ayoko nang guluhin pa yan.
Sir, that's understandable. Pero di ba nga po, sabi nila, every client has a number. And I'm very good at helping people find the best deal.
And what kind of approach are we talking about?
The kind that closes contracts. Let me make you an offer, sir. Better property, better terms. I can make this work for you. Promise, I'll make you seal the deal.
I know something else that could seal the deal faster.
Sorry, sir, but let's keep this professional.
You know how this game works. Choice. Top floor. You figure out the rest.
I really admire women who walk into a room with charm and grace. Hindi yung agad-agad nagre-react or nagdadala ng gulo.
Marge, okay ka lang? Gusto ko lang sana sabihin na kung ano man yung sinabi kanina ni Tita Regina, huwag mo na masyadong pansinin yun. You know how she is.
Pwede ba, Thea, huwag ka nang makipagplastikan. At huwag ka nang magmukhang mabait. Hindi mo ako kailangan ipagtanggol.
Marge, dinudugo ka. Kailangan kang dali sa ospital.